What's been marked for identification as State's Exhibit 14.1. Let me know when you see that on your screen.
Okay, I see it.
What is that?
This is the written 1102 statement that was provided by Mr. Mike Mitchell.
Your Honor, may I have a minute with Ms. Hunt for the same purpose?
All right.
And how do you know that?
I reviewed it. I reviewed it in its original. As soon as it came to us, I've seen it prior. So,
And Kimberly, if I can have you slowly scroll down.
It's actually marked as 14.
Sorry, Judge, if I can just have a moment.
You may.
I apologize, Your Honor. I misspoke. It's not 14.1, it's just Exhibit 14.
Okay.
So if we can place that again on the screen for the witness only. Yes. And sorry, we had been scrolling through that. Do you recognize that?
I do.
Does it depict, is it fair and accurate from what you remember?
Yeah, with the exception of the redactions, yes, it's fair and accurate.
And Judge, I'll make a record. Defense counsel and I have stipulated on the redactions that are present. I would move for its admission, State's Exhibit 14, into evidence, but we do not wish to publish it either to the courtroom gallery or the cameras.
All right, could I have a copy of it? What I have is the unredacted version. So I want to review it before I make that decision.
If I may approach.
You may. Thank you. All right, I've had a chance to review State's Exhibit 14 and noting the standing objections by defense concerning 1102s. The court accepts into evidence State's Exhibit 14 and pursuant to the parties is not published.
Thank you, Judge. All right, I want to move on to another topic. You've stated that you've been present for the duration as the case agent of the preliminary hearing. Is that right?
Yes.
We heard testimony yesterday about turning to the scene at UVU on September 10th, that a bullet was found on a roof. Do you remember that testimony?
I do.
Do you have knowledge about that bullet, what that is about?
Yes, I do.
What roof was that bullet found on?
I believe it was found on the computer science building on the roof, on the far east side of the roof of the building itself.
How do you know that it was found there?
I reviewed the agent's report that found that, documented it, and collected it.
What agent was that?
It was Agent Ben Schneider with SBI.
Are you aware of where the computer science building is on campus?
Yes, yes.
Can you explain generally where that is located?
Yeah, from where the LoSI building is, it's a building directly kind of south and east of there, from the LoSI.
Southeast from the LoSI building. Where is it in connection to the auditorium section that we've been talking about where Mr. Kirk was stationed?
It's east of there. East and a little bit south, and mostly east.
Would there have been, from that roof of the computer science building, to your knowledge, would there have been a line of sight to Mr. Kirk's tent?
No, not according to the agent. Agent Ben Schneider, there was not a line of sight from there to where the tent was, where Mr. Kirk was.
Did you learn from Agent Snyder what caliber that bullet was?
Yes, I did.
And what was that?
It was a .223 caliber.
What is a live round?
It's a round that had not been fired, so it still had the projectile, and it was a fully functional bullet with ammunition with the bullet.
Did you learn if this .223 bullet found on top of the computer science building was a live round?
Yes.
And how do you know that?
It was still intact. Still had the primer had not been it was not dented, not been fired. It still had the bullet projectile in the end, and still sealed.
Did you observe this bullet personally, or is this information you're getting from Agent Snyder?
From Agent Ben Schneider.
All right, turning to a different topic. And Judge, I'm aware that there are going to be some objections about this